As indicated by the most recent long-haul gauge, Axie cost will hit $15 by the center of 2024 and afterward $20 by the center of 2025. Axie will ascend to $25 inside the time of 2027 and $50 in 2035. Axie value expectation 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.50, so the cost expanded by 7% from the very start of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $15.91, and the year-to-year change plus 80%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 67%. In 2024, we hope to see $14.39 per one Axie. In the main portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $20.68. In the last part, the cost would add $1.22 and close the year at $21.90, which is plus 131% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $21.90 to $36.98, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $21.90, then, at that point, dip to $9.18 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $20.05. That implies plus 111% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $36.98 to $46.46, which is plus 26%. Axie will begin 2031 at $36.98, then, at that point, take off to $39.11 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $39.43. It is about plus 315% from today. 2152 into 4. Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.91, so the cost diminished by 11% from the start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $19.88, and the year-to-year change plus 125%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 151%. In 2024, we hope to see $13.71 per one Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $23.29. In the last part, the cost would add $0.25 and close the year at $24.54, which is plus 210% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $24.54 to $41.48, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $24.54, then, at that point, take off to $26.05 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $27.18. That implies plus 244% from today. Axie expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $41.48 to $59.30, which is plus 43%. Axie will begin 2031 at $41.48, then, at that point, take off to $43.97 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $46.44. It is about plus 487% from today. So 2s and 1/2 into 4. Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $6.86, so the cost diminished by 22% from the outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $15.12, and the year-to-year change plus 71%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 120%. In 2024, we hope to see $20.43 per one Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $17.71. In the last part, the cost would add $1.95 and close the year at $18.66, which is plus 172% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.66 to $31.55, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $18.66, then take off to $19.81 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $20.67. That implies plus 201% from today. Axie expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $31.55 to $45.10, which is plus 43%. Axie will begin 2031 at $31.55, then take off to $33.44 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $35.32. It is about plus 415% from today. 01152 Axie value expectation 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.93, so the cost diminished by 10% from the very start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $14.36, and the year-to-year change plus 62%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 81%. In 2024, we hope to see 10.44 per 1 Axie. In the primary portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $15.91. In the last part, the cost would lose $1.89 and close the year at $13.32, which is plus 68% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Axie cost would move from $13.32 to $28.89, which is up 117%. Axie will begin 2026 at $13.32, then at that point take off to $13.93 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $14.74. That implies plus 86% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $28.89 to $33.55, which is plus 16%. Axie will begin 2031 at $28.89, then at that point take off to $29.13 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $30.82. It is about plus 289% from today. 0101204. Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.72, so the cost diminished by 1% from the outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $17.67, and the year-to-year change plus 100%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 103%. In 2024, we hope to see $12.85 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $18.71. In the last part, the cost would lose $2.33 and close the year at $16.38, which is plus 88% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Axie cost would move from $16.38 to $35.53, which is up 117%. Axie will begin 2026 at $16.38, then take off to $17.13 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $18.18. That implies plus 108% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from